Hello everybody, welcome again to day number 2. Today we will have the opportunity to review together on how to organize and generate your own ideas or your ideas for writing an essay. Remember, we have 2 tasks when we have to work on the writing part of the first certificate. One of them will be writing an article and one of them will be writing an essay. Now, if you go to page number 3 in the file that I uploaded for you on Edmodo platform, you will have the opportunity to see exactly the same that I just wrote right there, that it says teenagers are too young to teach other people about anything. So you have to imagine that you have been given that essay task, right? It's teenagers are too young to teach other people about anything. Do you agree? So you will write about technology, you will write about the environment, and plus you will add your own idea. It is very important that you remember that you will be given one of these mind maps that you have to complete. But not only do you have to complete it, but also you have to use the ideas that were given to you. That is, if you have these notes, what you have to do is use them. For example, for the task right here in my back, you write about technology, but you also write about the environment. If you didn't mention one of those 2 aspects that were given to you, you would lose marks. So it is important that you know, or that you try to figure out how to include these 2 ideas into your writing. Now, it is super important, very, very essential. It is essential that you add your own idea to the mind map. And after that, you make some notes to develop that idea. Now, what are some important aspects that you have to consider once you start writing your essay? Well, anyways, if you check your page number 4 of the file that I gave you, you will see that this information is available for you right there. But I will mention it so you keep it in your mind. Paragraph number 1. Remember, we will be working preferably with 5 paragraphs. In paragraph number 1, you will introduce the topic using a general statement and give your opinion. Say whether you agree or disagree with the statement. That is, in the case of the task that we have as an example over here, is teenagers are too young to teach other people about anything. Now, in paragraph number 2, you have to give the first reason to support your opinion. You have to be very specific, you have to provide specific justification, and also use examples if you consider it's necessary. Now, for paragraph number 3, you will do exactly the same, but now you will give a second reason to support your opinion. Again, be specific and use examples if you think it is necessary. Now, for paragraph number 4, you will give a third reason to support your opinion. Make sure this one, paragraph number 4, your third reason, is clearly different from the points you made in the previous 2 paragraphs. It is very, very important. And finally, in paragraph number 5, you will summarize your idea and repeat your opinion, but now using different words to provide a strong conclusion. So keep this in your mind, because this is the perfect structure once we write an opinion essay. Okay guys, now that you have this information, next step you have to take is going to your Edmodo platform and open the file that I gave you right there. You will go to page number 4 and then to page number 5. You will see 2 different type of formats or 2 different examples of essays written by student A and by student B. So what do you guys have to do is analyze them. And if you check your page number 5, you will encounter a small table or a small chart where you have where you will find different points to assess a text, such as the content, communicative achievement, organization, and the type of language that you are using. So once you read the text, you will give each student a mark out of 5, and then you will analyze them both and decide which of those two texts would get a higher mark on the first certificate and why. Now, once you have this information, I want you to film a very short video, let's say 30 seconds to 1 minute, explaining the reasons why you think one would get a higher mark than the other. But please explain to me if you consider it's a type of language, if they didn't write the amount of words that were needed. Tell me all the reasons why you think student A or student B would get a higher mark. Now that's it for today. Tomorrow I will give you an additional task, so stay tuned. Very good luck, and I will see you very soon. Bye bye.